What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. If you have a 2024 Denago electric golf cart, probably doesn't matter which one, and if you're a mechanic or you work at a dealership, with one, because it's unlikely that this will be an issue for a customer who already owns one, but I guess it's possible. If you if your cart is running and you go into reverse and you're expecting to see the backup camera show up here and all you're seeing is static, like a staticky picture on the screen, before you go tearing into everything, make sure the camera you have installed is for a 24 model. Even though the 25 model camera looks the same, fits the same, connector is the same, it's this little teensy little guy, everything is identical as far as how the camera looks. But a 25 camera will not properly work on a 24 Denago Nomad. You'll just see little static squiggly lines, kind of like you're on the wrong channel in old school UHF, VHF TV world. So, how about that? Always learning something new. Check out our channel. We got all kinds of videos relating to Denago golf carts, club car, E-Z-GO, Yamaha, some others, Tomberlin, Star, all on our channel. Check it out. If our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button. It's a donation button. You'll see it under the video screen. Please click on that and shoot us a donation, because YouTube is completely free, but doing helpful videos is priceless. You'll have a great day. We'll see you all later.